So that totally cut me off. It was rude. Anyway, let me finish the problem up real quick. A pizza place charges $9 for a pizza and 70 cents per topping. How many toppings can you get if you have $12? Something different is going to happen here, and I'm going to show you what. So first of all, no matter what, if I buy pizza, it's going to charge me $9. So I have $9 for a pizza. So 9. And 70 cents per topping. So plus, because I'm adding stuff, plus 70 cents. Now be very careful. If you do this, 70, that is $70. 70 cents is 0.70. So I would underline this right here and make sure you're doing that correctly. 0.70 cents per topping. Now if you remember up here when I said per, that means X. So if it says per or every or anything like that, per topping means X. Or you could put a T for topping. It doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and use T. 70 cents per topping. I'm going to use a T. Okay? And I only have $12. So I'm going to put equals $12. We're going to see how many toppings I can get if I have $12. Yet again, this right here is the hardest step to do. After that, it's what we've been doing. So we draw our line. I'm T for toppings. 70 cents is my best friend. I'm getting rid of the 9. The opposite of positive 9 is negative 9. So 0.70 T comes down. 12 minus 9 in your head or in the calculator is just 3. Okay? And then we divide by 0.70. Make sure you do not lose that decimal. 0.70. Now here's what's going to be weird. I'll show you. 3 divided by 0.70, so you can't really see it, is, if you can see it, 4.285. Okay? Now I told you not to round, which is true, but don't make it a fraction. 4.285. So right now I'm just going to put 4.3. Okay? 4.3. But we're going to talk about this. Is it possible when you order pizza to get 4.3 toppings? And the answer is no. You can't get 4.3 toppings. You can either get 4 toppings or you can get 5 toppings. Well, what this means is I can only afford 4. Even if it was 4.7, you could only afford 4 toppings because you don't have quite enough to get to 5. So let me show you what that means. So for example, if you had 9 plus, it's 70 cents per topping, right? Can't really see my calculator, hang on. 9 plus 70 cents per topping, and you did 4, it would be $11.80. But if you did 9 plus 70 cents per topping, and there's 5 of them, it would be $12.50. And you don't have $12.50, you only have 12. So the answer here would be incomplete sentences. How many toppings? I would put, I can get 4 toppings. I can get 4 toppings. Okay, with period. You can barely see that. Alright, so make sure when you're coming up with answers on your assignment, if it's like 5.6, then make sure you're putting the right answer. That's like you can actually do in the real world. I remember one time I did a word problem where it was like, how many puppies were you going to adopt? And some kid was like 6.3. I was like, I've never seen 0.3 of a puppy, but that would be awesome. Okay, so just make sure you're using things that will apply in the real world. If you have questions, let me know.